Hello everyone, welcome back to SR Technologies. Today we are going to discuss another topic which is nothing but how to create a Snowflake free trial account. First of all, what is Snowflake? Snowflake is simply, we can say, cloud-based data warehousing platform. To be, make it in a one-line term. So, and very important thing, it is scalability perspective as well as flexibility perspective to separate storage as well as compute resources. That is the reason in the industry, most of the people are using this Snowflake. So I don't want to get into too much detail. So let's get into the how to create a free Snowflake free trial account. So here, very simple. Let's get into here. And then you can type it up. Snowflake. Snowflake free trial. Okay. Free trial. Just you can type it out here. And then you can come to here. And then it will go ahead and it will navigate to sign up. So here you can give it. I'm giving it here, data engineer. Okay, data engineer. Data engineer. 2025. I'm giving it here. And work mail. I'm wanted to give it here. The work mail which I have created for this Snowflake. So let me give it here. Work mail as well. So data engineering, Snowflake, engineering. So I'm giving it here. And what is the purpose? Just it's for training or certification of my job. And then click on it here, continue. And then here you can give it some random term in it. Like you can give it, I'm giving it like Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo. And here job title is lead consultant. And then choose most popular enterprise, and then you can click on it. I have read and docs, and click on any one of the cloud provider. So here I'm clicking Microsoft Azure, and here deployment is you can take it up Pune nearby. So get started. Then here you can see you can skip it. What is the purpose of using it is asking. You can skip it for time being, and here also you can skip it, and then you got the email. Just go to here. I have created a new email. Just click on it, refresh it. Let's see. Now you can see here, we got the email here. So you can click on it here, click to activate it. Click to activate it, and you can give it here the name. Okay, you can give it. So I'm giving it Virat. Okay, Virat Reddy. And I'm giving here just password is. I don't want to reveal the password. Setting it up here. I think it is not setting it up properly. I'm giving it. Let me give it. Okay. Here, copy pasting, same thing. Just copy pasting. Actually, let me reveal it. No need to be bothered about. I'll change it later. So here, you can keep it. And then let me reveal it. So here, let me copy paste this. Here you can mention the get started so that it will be done. Okay. Now you can see here. You can see here, it is going to ask you some of the things. Okay. Welcome to Snowflake. How do you want it to start? whether the load the data or example sample data. So for timing, you can skip and then you can click on here. And the important thing is whenever you go with the Snowflake, the important thing is so where you are going to work projects and workspaces, notebooks, dashboards, a lot of things are there nowadays. Okay, previously it was a couple of things. First, let's go with the SQL file. Okay, we are creating a simple SQL file. You can come here, create a SQL file, and it is created SQL file. Now you can click on it here. Basically, what it is going to happen here, the role, and as well as what is the compute. Compute means here is nothing but a, if you are going with your system, right, what it is going to happen, it's nothing but a CPU and virtual. If you wanted to run in Snowflake, you have to use the compute here. So from here, the row, and here it is the compute. It's nothing but a whatever the compute which you wanted to do that, you can do that. And here you can see Snowflake sample data. I'm using the database is Snowflake sample data. Under that, I'm selecting SF. So once you select it, automatically database as well as schema, I'm selecting it. And here I'm listing it down. So tables. So here you can do that, and you can see, you can run this particular table. Now I'm click on it here. I see here customer. Now you can see you can double click on it automatically. Here you can copy paste it. You can click on it, then select star from customer. Okay. Now you can copy paste here directly, and then you can click on it here. You can use the SQL here also. Snowflake is majorly SQL which you are going to use it. So if you wanted to query, and if you are very well versed with SQL, then you will be able to easily learn the Snowflake. That's it. And in the coming videos, we are going to discuss about the Snowflake, how to create tables, all those things like, whatever the Snowflake features which we have it, right? We are going to discuss in the coming videos. That's it for the day. We'll connect tomorrow. And very important thing, we are going to start new batch on ETL testing automation. If you are interested, please do get back. Thank you.